Amidst the urgency of the global environmental crisis and the increasingly pressing challenges of waste management, we all agree that innovation is key. Today, I will introduce edible bioplastic film from Durian Rind, an eco-friendly solution that turns Durian Rind waste into biodegradable and even edible packaging. Let's see how this innovation addresses the urgent need for sustainability. Malaysia is one of the largest producers of durian in Southeast Asia, generating over 350,000 metric tons every year, but up to 60% of each durian, mostly the thick peel, is discarded as waste. At the same time, this peel is rich in natural polymers like cellulose, starch, and pectin, materials commonly used in making bioplastics. Inspired by this potential, our project turns this agricultural waste into a new solution, an edible and biodegradable bioplastic film for food packaging. Our project addresses two problems at once. First, durian peel waste is underutilized and often ends up in landfills. Second, the food packaging industry heavily depends on non biodegradable plastics, which cause long term environmental damage. There is currently no link between food waste and food packaging, and this is where we step in by turning organic waste into sustainable packaging. So, what exactly are we proposing? We extract starch and cellulose from durian peels and use glycerol as a plasticizer. The result is bioplastic film that is flexible, food safe, biodegradable, and even edible. This material can be used to wrap dry food products, especially for local and small, medium enterprises and sustainable food businesses.
Our innovation is called edible bioplastic film from Durian Red. It's a sustainable packaging solution made from agricultural waste, specifically the peel of durians, which is normally discarded. Our idea is to extract starch and cellulose from durian peel to produce a flexible, transparent, and food-safe bioplastic film. This film is biodegradable, which means it decomposes naturally, reducing plastic waste significantly while also being edible, making it ideal for food packaging. Using simulations and research-backed process, we developed a small-scale prototype. The film is semi-transparent, flexible, and wraps dry food like biscuits. It passed basic tests for durability and biodegradability, decomposing fully in moist soil within 2 to 4 weeks. Durian peel contains high level of cellulose, the main component for forming the plastic, about 50 to 60%. Hemicellulose adds strength while lignin makes it rigid, is removed. Pectin adds flexibility, water, and sugars are eliminated to improve quality. Process starts by cleaning, drying, and grinding the durian peel. It's then treated with sodium hydroxide to remove lignin and optionally bleach for purity. Next, the cellulose is dissolved, mixed with plastic scissorized like glycerol, and sometimes edible binders like chitosan or agar. Finally, the mixture is poured onto molds and dried to form thin films. As showed, our film has flexible illumination values between 2 until 12% acceptable density and biodegrades in under 45 days, which is considered fast. It also meets food grade safety standards due to the use of natural ingredients like glycerol and cellulose. This product adds value to local agricultural waste, uses simple and scalable methods, and is both biodegradable and edible. It also has potential for improvement, such as adding natural antimicrobials to extend food shelf life.
The cost. Our product costs just 1.86 Malaysian ringgit per square meters. That is less than half the price of conventional plastic wrap and nearly 70% cheaper than imported bioplastics. The drastic cost reduction is a game changer, especially for businesses that want sustainable packaging but are held back by the high cost. So, how do we keep the cost this low? The answer lies in the ingredients. We use durian peel waste, which is collected for free from local markets, combined with affordable inputs like food grade glycerol, cornstarch, tap water, household electricity. Our production remains remarkably low cost. This proves that sustainability can be both practical and affordable. And the timing just couldn't get better. The global bioplastic packaging market is projected to grow from 19.5 billion USD in 2024 to 50.6 billion in by 2023. At a compound annual growth rate of 17.2%, this growth is driven by environmental concerns, plastic bans, and the rising demands of sustainable packaging. And luckily, our product is strategically positioned to tap into this market, especially in Southeast Asia like Malaysia and Indonesia, where durian waste is abundant. We're targeting local food producers, eco-conscious SMEs, and small F&B businesses that are in need of eco-friendly solution. We position our product as a low-cost, locally sourced alternative that delivers both impact and accessibility. But of course, our innovation is also backed by scientific researches. Studies have shown that durian peel cellulose can achieve up to 98.9% biodegradation in just 12 days, maintaining strong mechanical strength and produce lower carbon emission. These findings validate our product as not only eco-friendly but also technically sound and reliable. By transforming agricultural waste into value, we offer a low cost, high impact innovation ready to make sustainable packaging more accessible than ever. Now, are you ready to rethink waste? Let's transform our trash into tomorrow's solution. We have seen how discarded durian skids can be transformed into functional bioplastics. This is a major step forward in utilizing local agricultural waste to create a cost-effective and sustainable packaging solution. With bioplastic made from durian skins, we are not only reducing waste but also building a greener future.